So, welcome back, Kings and Queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I'm in here just playing with a bunch of stuff, infusible ink, and I want to see like what I can do with it and what I can't do with it. What I'll tell you is, I did try to put infusible ink on a makeup case, and do you see this epic fail? Epic fail. I ended up working it out that I got just regular vinyl on it, and that's super cute. But I just tried a few things and it didn't work. But sometimes you have to try things just to see what works, what doesn't work. So I'm trying infusible ink on canvas, and again, I want to see if it's going to work or not. So I have my mini press set to its highest setting, and I'm going to see what happens. Alright, so I pressed this with my mini press probably for about 40 seconds. Oh, that's pretty. So I definitely should have put some more pressure on the B, but it's still a little bit of ink on the sheet. Now let me tell you, I tried that on the plastic, it didn't work. I tried it on a lamination sheet, it didn't work. So I've already tried pressing the sheet twice, and I'm saying this because the infusible ink still held, that it was able to show up on this canvas. So even without the lamination carrier sheet and all that stuff, it was able to show up, and that's cute. So that'll be a cute sign that can go somewhere. And I like it, so I'll probably try infusible ink on a few different things, but I do like how that ended up coming out. So I hope this helped somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and also remember, don't try it on plastic because it doesn't work. You guys have a great day.